Hey, Stu Leonard again here, and I got our big buddy from Boston right here, Chef Andrew, who's been all over the world cooking. And today we're gonna do something really cool, something I love. My wife's from California. Mexican food is a huge thing out there, and we love to do these different tacos.
So we've got some extra large shrimp here.
Okay.
Which we're just gonna oil up, use a little bit, there's your heat right there, a little Cajun spice in there.
Okay.
We'll mix it up, throw it on the grill, finish it up with some cheese and the tacos and everything. So the shrimp, you know what I'm using here? I'm using high heat, an avocado oil, which can be used, okay, over high heat.
Rather than
you don't want to like a virgin olive oil or anything like that. And then we're just gonna put, okay, put a little spice on there.
I love the way you eyeball all this stuff too.
That was a perfect Chef Andrew portion right there.
Yeah.
Now,
hey, I hate to tell you, but sometimes I just dump that on the grill.
Yeah.
And then I sort them out afterward. But you got to watch, if they're not big shrimp, they'll go through.
They'll go through. The other thing is sometimes if you put a little bit too much oil in there, you tend to lose your eyebrows. And you know what you could have done with this? We could have put these on skewers too, so then they stay and then take them off later. Shrimp are very lean, so they don't take a long time to cook. We want a nice medium-high grill. If it's too hot, you're gonna get that flare up and the shrimp are gonna burn too fast.
They're only gonna be on there, what, 5-6 minutes?
Max,
Yeah.
max.
What would you say, that's about 550 degrees?
Yeah, yeah.
Now this, look at how nice that is. You're getting a little
Yep.
brown, you would say caramelized?
Yes, caramelized, so you're gonna caramelize those natural sugars in the shrimp. So I got a bunch of shrimp on the grill here, right? I wanna make sure I do them all at the same time, so I'm gonna go clockwise, okay? So I'm not gonna go here, then turn there.
See,
I'm gonna turn those.
I like that, Andrew, when you get a little bit of that charred.
Oh yeah, you want that char.
It looks better
Yes.
when people go to eat it.
Yeah.
You know, if you have, especially if you have guests over here.
I've said this before, that char just gives you a depth of flavor. See, that shrimp, if you were just eating that like a shrimp cocktail, you could do that. But if it's going inside a tortilla, I like to cut the shrimp a little bit.
Right.
So we'll cut it in half so it becomes a bite. So these are gonna rest here because they don't need to be screaming hot when they're gonna go in tacos. Here's what we got going on. You got a Mexican blend. Stu's Tortillas, makes them fresh here. The Mexican blend. Pico de Gallo, guacamole, a little arugula for some peppery bite, for some extra spice, because cilantro, limes to finish with. I'm gonna turn the grill down slightly, and these are going straight on
This
the
is a
grill.
great blend of 4 cheeses
Yep.
in here too.
Oh, while we're doing this, here, take that knife and start cutting them right in half. There you go.
Making me do all the work.
All right, so once you're cutting, I turn these over. You get a little bubble, just pound that down, you're good. I love having you as an assistant.
Nice little pieces right there.
So spread that cheese out, it's gonna start to melt.
Oh,
Look
you
at
put
that.
the cheese right on?
Cheese right on it.
That's the way I like
That's
it.
the way. So we're gonna,
See, check this out, man. He knows the way I like it.
now we got a little taco bar.
That's fresh
That
guacamole.
is
We make it
beautiful.
right in the store.
You can't fake fresh guacamole. Now, I love a little peppery bite. Star of the show. Who cut these? Salsa fresca. Now, one of the dangers of taco making is when people put too much stuff on their taco.
Well, that's what I do. I do that all the time. I can't even roll it up.
A little cilantro, authentic bite of that herb. And then you don't have to use this, but this is a nice touch. Sour cream, what you do is just break it up a little bit.
You know what you're doing, which I don't do at home?
What's
to
that?
Make it look so beautiful. I mean, that like looks really pretty.
Doesn't that look good?
Yeah, it looks good.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Squeeze the lime juice.
Look how great that looks. Cheers.
Cheers.
Here, spread that out.
Very nice.
Really good.
I wish I had a napkin. Oh, look at that.
You know what? If you figured out how expensive this is a cheap.
Short money. Yeah.
This is a cheap meal right here.
A couple of shrimp in there, but it's like a salad on that crispy grilled tortilla.
Well, thank
Fantastic.
you.
Absolutely, my pleasure.
Here we go, beautiful shrimp tacos. A great, easy to make recipe. You can buy everything all made just about.
Al fresco at Stu Leonard's.